we turned this removal into a reaction video. All right, look at they over here watching a Yappy BeeMan video.
I'm talking about grabbing them with your fingers and everything.
Yeah. Mama says I wasn't right in the head. Hey gang, I'm down here in Birmingham. We're gonna have us a little bit of fun, but I'm trying to figure out who the supervisor is and who the guys who actually get their hands dirty. There's one of my I can't say partners in crime, I can't say helpers, my support crew. He's gonna be over there. He's gonna be standing at that fence for the rest of us going, yeah, Yappy, it looked great back there. This is my phone contact guy over here, all right? And then this guy over here, he's just like, I think he just was walking by and he said, I just want to watch. Now look here. You notice they all got gym shoes on too, okay? I said, it don't matter, when I open up that thing, I can outrun all of you. Anyway, let's get over here. I'm gonna show you where the bees are at. So about 3 weeks ago, come here girls. About 3 weeks ago, the guy over here, he's like, man, he said, everything over here was nothing but bees. He said it was crazy, big old swarm come flying in. Yeah. And was like, well, at least we got our time frame. I don't know, we're gonna have some fun. I mean, these guys, and we're gonna be in stitches the whole time. I don't know if I got enough cameras to capture all this, but we're gonna set it up. We're gonna try to have some fun. I hope you guys enjoy it. He was kind of asking me about, you know, did we get this relatively soon? Yes, this is perfect in our situation because I'm expecting that we don't have anything that has been here before, and everything's going to be fresh, new comb. One of the reasons you don't ever want to try to attempt to kill a colony is because most of the time it's not going to be successful. Because if you would have sprayed right there, it would have saturated that area, but the bees are over here, so you'd have never got the spray on them. The residual that's in those spray cans is so low that after a day or so, it goes away anyway. If they were successful in killing this, what would be up there would just create a big mess. Well, that becomes a roach magnet. So every roach within a mile is going to smell that death. And now, and now all that comes in. So see, we get that we got to deal with. And if you were successful, so you guys know, they had no intent on killing these bees. So I don't mean him personally or the facility. If somebody were successful in killing this, then if there were a lot of honey up in here, next thing you'd have that all just be dripping down out of this wall. And now you still have to open it up to get the mess out. Yeah. All right, you want to see me in a suit? Get some yellow jackets and call me. Why are you over there? I mean, come on, we're all up in these bees.
I'm watching the truck for you.
My emotional support security guard. Man, y'all don't realize how cool people are in Birmingham. I'm ready to get this thing open.
Yeah.
What are we waiting on? Oh, I got my extension. We were waiting on an extension cord because I forgot mine at home. Honestly, I need another camera like up here, pointing down here, because I want to actually see how fast of a reaction happens when he takes off. Yeah. Run! He ain't even listening.
No, he's too confident. See, I'm gonna move off of you. When you panic, I'm out of here.
Oh my God. It's like a little baby colony. We're going through all this, and they got a baby colony. I'm like, for real. Now, you know what'd be really cool? Is if that queen was right here and I could show her to you like this quick. She ain't there. Hey, come hold this.
Yeah.
Come here and hold this just a minute. Look here.
Oh my shit.
My mama calling me.
Till mom said, hey. God, I wish we would have pulled that up there and that queen would have been right here. I mean, that would have made the whole video. No.
You want me to get that box off the back?
No, we're going to get it in a minute. I didn't set my vac up yet, guys. Whoops. Oh, look, here he comes. Oh! Mama said you can't play with the bees. So like I told you, I mean, they're pretty chill. They're, whoop, there we go. Except for that one, it just flew. The joy of editing. Y'all didn't hear what he just said. We took that part out. I like this guy. He come walking, I'm like, What are y'all doing?
Yeah, he's getting out.
When he realized, I want to see his face when he realizes we're dealing with bees. And he goes, "Oh hell no, no." But we're gonna find this queen, dude.
That's crazy.
So that's pollen. So that
Oh.
when they bring that color in on their legs,
Uh-huh.
they put it up in these little cells, and they're making food for the babies. When they hatch out of their cell, that'll be baby food.
That makes perfect sense.
So if they start running, they'll be going over that. They'll be going over top of that. But that queen's going to be somewhere in this one. The queen's going to be somewhere in between here. But we'll find her. What about it? Did you have a bee on you? Oh, yeah.
I don't need to hold that.
Okay.
Oh.
Man, them bees treat you like they know you.
All right.
Oh, you can get a
Take,
bite off of that
take
one.
your bite of that, chew it like gum. Wait. Don't chew that bite. Go off of this end, kind of over here. Yeah, get your bite of that.
Get a bite of that.
Chew it like gum.
Ooh.
Man, that's been amazing.
Oh,
Hang on.
man.
Yeah, just
Hold
get
it.
get your bite of that off there and just chew it like gum.
It's like wax. Oh, that's good.
Oh, wait, oh! Mama said you come get some honey, didn't she?
I always say I can have some honey.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Dang, boy, this all good.
You want one? Nah?
Yeah.
Come on, get you some, man. Don't be scared of it. You be like, let me go ahead
Man, I
and
forgot to
sit
tell y'all, you didn't get to see up in here.
down.
All right, so we've took one of the combs out. You've seen that, but this is what we're looking at as far as it wasn't a real big hive. We got one little piece over there. So smaller swarm. This was probably an after swarm, a secondary swarm from a primary that had an unmated queen in there. They got set up, and after she went out and did a mating flight, you know, she's back laying. But yeah, they've been here long enough to where we've seen that we do have brood and everything, so we're doing good. This is gonna be real nice. So I'm happy. And bees are so cool. Absolutely cool. All right, well, let me get these numbers down because I want this one off. I want this next one off because I'm telling you, we pull that off, we're gonna find our queen. I'm pumped up. I can't wait to find her. We got a problem. Not me and you, whoever's watching, and not me and him. He's cool. We got a problem with this. A new colony, when they move in, should not be laying drones yet. Okay, drones are the males. A colony makes the male bees so that it can help to fertilize a unmated queen from another colony. They will not intermate, all right, because that would screw up the genetics. So that being said, when a new swarm moves in, it'll be a while before they ever start laying drone eggs. See this here? All right, these are drone cells. Now, the bigger cells that we have here, this is normally where they would put honey in these. So they make a bigger cell, but it also doubles as where they would lay a male egg. This could mean that we don't have a queen. Okay. Because we're 3 weeks in, 3 weeks with no queen. This could be a laying worker situation where one of those females that's flying around up in there, they made it to where she could lay eggs to help make drones, and there's a whole long process what I can explain that. In a beehive situation, when they don't have a queen, they will produce what we call laying workers. Those laying workers produce male bees or drones. Their job is two things. The males, all they do is eat a whole lot of food and are there to mate. Y'all keep it clean in my comments. See what I'm saying? this thing had only been here 3 weeks. They should not be having that many drones yet. I'm worried we may not find a queen. However, they are not aggressive right now. A laying worker colony is generally also very aggressive. This could go either way. I'm just building you up to know that I can't wait to see what we got on the next frame to see if we have regular female brood. All right, worker brood. If we got that up there, then we got a queen. If not, this is telling me we don't. Let's go look. Hive will be queenless. The only things they got going on are more of the popcorn looking cells. That tells me that without having flat cells, there's not a queen up in here. So this is a queenless hive. Unfortunately, on a queenless hive, they can't reproduce the workers. They only have what they brought in with them. And this colony would eventually here in about another roughly a month, 2 months at the most would be dead. They would die because they can't reproduce the workers. So one of the reasons why this could have happened is this being the size. I told you guys that this was probably a swarm that showed up with an unmated queen. Well, she has to go out and get mated. The only problem is when she goes out, she's taking the risk with less bees around her to get eaten by a bird. And that's probably what happened. She didn't make it back to the colony. And now they're just going through their process of what nature intended them to do, and that's clean up their mess. Can't find a queen if they ain't got one. All right, so when I was telling you that we had a laying worker, these are capped drone cells. They just have been capped off based on what I'm seeing, but there's no worker brood whatsoever. There's some that hasn't been capped off yet of larvae. Unfortunately, this is the first one in a long time that I've done without a queen in it, but the signs told me and kind of what to look for, and kind of ended up proving it. So that's what we got. But I'm getting everything cleaned up. Let's go say goodbye to the guys. What do you think? He's debating on being a beekeeper. He just thinks it's cool as shit. He ain't got permission slip signed from his mama yet, so we ain't even let him. We ain't let him anywhere near it. Y'all want to do this again tomorrow?
Oh yeah.
Huh? I'm telling you.
Same time tomorrow.
I'm telling you, you bring the fun and the comedy, and I will remove bees for you guys all day long. About the only thing now, we just need to go get something good to eat. I mean, we done all the hard work. It's time to eat, right? Oh wait. Oh yeah. Well, somebody done brought him a doggy bag. Oh, I see. You mama go. Hey, can we go over to mama house? You go. Okay, mama go eat good. We gonna go over by mama house and go get us something good. He ain't invited. But
Hey,
all right, guys.
you, man.
Oh, yeah, I appreciate that, man.
Hey,
good work. Good
thank you,
work.
bro.
Very professional. Yeah.
Well,
You got a
You got a
card?
card or something?
huh?
You got a card or something?
Oh yeah. You can't have one, but yeah, you just watch me on video. But anyway, all right. So we're getting wrapped up, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget one on the left, one on the right. Click another video. You guys got to watch this stuff because man, we crazy.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, see, look. All right, show of hands. How many of y'all think this idiot's crazy?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, we love it.
Oh look, he said no.
I love it.
He's
We love
over here
it,
going
man.
no. He's professional.